Ota wira ugi o wothe wira wa urutani ukoragwo na miambato na meikuruko. Umwe wa morito maria makoretwo makigumira arutani ari thina wa kimeciria. Chini. Kuringana na Kiama kia atumia arutani guku bururi-ini kia wota, gicunji kia 30% kia arutani guku bururi-ini mari na thina wa kimeciria. Riri arutani matanyihiire 1,000 makuite ihinda-ini ria miaka 3 mihituku. Imwe ya kaunti irigomeirwo ni thina uyu ni kaunti ya Kiambu, na kuringana na Kiama gia Kiawota makiria ya arutani 50 ni merutite muoyo kumana na mathina maya ihinda-ini ria miaka 2 mihituku, 6 magikua ihinda-ini ria mieri 6.
I'm talking about 6 teachers within 3 months in Kiambu County with only 3 sub-county, not counting other sub-county. Losing one teacher, that it's a big loss to the community, it's a big loss to the teachers, big loss to everybody and the whole republic, because training a teacher take a lot of years and a lot of resources.
You know, the society sees the teachers as the mirror. They forget that we as teachers, we are also people. We are also humans and we have mental problems which we need to be assisted on how to deal with them.
Muikaririgite wa Kiama giki kaunti-ini ya Kiambu atariria ati thina wa arutani kwiruta muoyo ucungagiririo ni morito maria maratungana namo mari wira-ini, ari hamwe na gucerithirio kwa mishara, kwaga kwamukira motungata ma urigitani uria kwagiriire hamwe na mangi.
So we need the government to recognize us as teachers, to also check on our medical health scheme. Let the government improve our medical health scheme, let it cover all the teachers and let it be in all the hospitals.
Namba nene ya arutani aria magumeirwo ni mathina maya mari gatagati-ini ka ukuru wa miaka 30 na 45.
Needs to be checked, especially teachers dealing with depression and mental health challenges, because when we hear that our fellow colleague has taken their life, it's disheartening and demoralizing completely.
Uyu ari mwaka wa keri kuma riria Kiama giki kiambiririe gutabania kambeni ya o mwaka ya guthomithia muingi uria magiteithiriria arutani kuhurana na thina wa kimeciria. Ihoya riria mari nario ni uria thirikari igiteithiriria hari waki wa thibitari ya mwanya iria riteithagiriria arutani aria magumirwo ni mathina ma kimeciria.
To have more than 400 million. So we are even requesting the stakeholder if they can assist us everywhere they are, so that we can save life. Life is so important. One life of a teacher is so important.
Kambeni ota ino ni ratwarithirio na mbere kaunti-ini ingi ari hamwe na kaunti ya Nakuru.
Ihinda maingi ihinda riria mwarimu ari murwaru, ona ciana citu ni ndwaru tondu niwe tunengerete ciana. Kwoguo ri health ya mwarimu noyo health ya mwana.
Mwarimu uyu angithondekwo meciria ni ekuhota guteithia mwarimu uyu wega, ni ekuhota guteithia murutwo uyu wega, ni ekuhota guteithia mwarimu nake murutwo ni ekuhota kunyita kira mwarimu aramwira.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.